Today I want to share a simple yet powerful tool that can help shift your perspective and open doors to new possibilities. When life feels stagnant or opportunities seem scarce, it's easy to get caught in a cycle of negativity. However, we have the power to change that narrative. Repeat after me 3 times. I am open to every good thing, and I am open to every good thing. I am open to every good thing. These words, spoken with intention, hold incredible potential. They act as a signal to ourselves and the universe that we are ready and willing to receive. By affirming our openness to good things, we create a space for abundance, joy, and unexpected opportunities to enter our lives. Often we focus on what's lacking or what's going wrong, but what if instead we focused on what we desire to attract? Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. When we cultivate a mindset of openness and possibility, we invite positive energy and experiences to flow our way. I understand this may sound too good to be true, but our minds are remarkably powerful. What we consistently tell ourselves becomes our truth. So why not choose empowering beliefs? Why not believe that we deserve happiness, success, and fulfillment? Take a moment to center yourself, release any doubts or limiting beliefs. Now say it again with conviction. I am open to every good thing. I am open to every good thing. I am open to every good thing. Allow those words to resonate within you. Feel their truth and power. This is not merely an affirmation. It's a declaration of your worthiness and your willingness to accept all the blessings life has to offer. Keep in mind that this is not a magic solution. It requires consistent practice and a genuine belief in the words you speak. But with time and dedication, this simple affirmation can transform your outlook and open doors you never thought possible. Make these words your mantra. Repeat them throughout your day, write them down, and let them become ingrained in your subconscious. The more you affirm your openness to good things, the more you'll start to notice them appearing in your life. The mind is a potent instrument capable of shaping our experiences and outcomes. It's easy to fall into the trap of focusing on limitations or what hasn't worked in the past. However, a subtle shift in perspective can make all the difference. When we say, I am open to every good thing, we actively invite positivity into our lives. It's a conscious decision to break free from negativity and accept the abundance that surrounds us. This simple affirmation, repeated with sincerity, can have a profound impact on our subconscious mind, influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Openness is key. When we're open, we create space for new opportunities, relationships, and experiences to emerge. We become receptive to the possibilities that exist beyond our current reality. This affirmation isn't about wishful thinking or denying challenges. It's about cultivating a mindset that welcomes growth, learning, and transformation. It's about trusting that the universe has our best interests at heart and that good things are constantly flowing our way. As you repeat this affirmation, notice any resistance or doubts that arise. Acknowledge them, but don't let them deter you. Gently remind yourself that you are worthy of receiving all that life has to offer. The power of this affirmation lies in its simplicity and repetition. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you'll gradually rewire your brain to focus on the positive and attract more of it into your life. Don't forget that this is a journey, not a destination. Some days you may feel more open and receptive than others. That's okay. Be kind to yourself and trust the process. As you continue to affirm your openness to every good thing, you'll likely notice subtle shifts in your perception and experiences. You may find yourself attracting new opportunities, encountering supportive individuals, and feeling a greater sense of gratitude for the present moment. The key is to remain consistent. Make this affirmation a part of your daily practice, whether it's during meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few moments to center yourself and connect with your inner wisdom. By accepting this simple yet powerful affirmation, you empower yourself to create a life filled with joy, abundance, and endless possibilities. It's a reminder that you are not limited by your past or current circumstances. You have the power to shape your future by choosing to open yourself to every good thing. It's important to recall that this affirmation is not about forcing outcomes or trying to control every aspect of our lives. It's about surrendering to the flow of life and trusting that everything is unfolding as it should. When we let go of resistance and accept the unknown, we open ourselves to unexpected blessings and opportunities. The words "every good thing" encompass a vast spectrum of possibilities. It could be a new job, a loving relationship, improved health, financial abundance, or simply a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. By affirming our openness to all forms of goodness, we expand our capacity to receive and experience joy in every area of our lives. This affirmation also invites us to cultivate gratitude for the good things that are already present. When we appreciate what we have, we create a magnet for even more abundance. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that opens our hearts and minds to the infinite possibilities that exist. As you repeat this affirmation, visualize yourself receiving these good things. See yourself surrounded by love, joy, and abundance. Feel the emotions of gratitude, excitement, and contentment. The more vividly you can imagine these experiences, the more you'll align your energy with their manifestation. Recall that this affirmation is not a one-time fix. It's a daily practice that requires patience, perseverance, and unwavering belief. There will be times when doubts creep in or setbacks occur. However, these challenges are simply opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with adversity, remind yourself of your openness to every good thing. Trust that even in difficult times, there are valuable lessons to be learned and blessings to be found. This affirmation can serve as a beacon of hope, guiding you through the ups and downs of life. As you continue to practice this affirmation, you'll likely notice a shift in your overall well-being. You may feel more optimistic, resilient, and connected to your inner wisdom. The doors that once seemed closed may begin to open effortlessly, revealing new paths and possibilities. The key is to trust the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep in mind that every thought, word, and action is contributing to the creation of your reality. By consistently affirming your openness to every good thing, you're planting seeds of positivity that will eventually blossom into a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. As we repeat this affirmation, we begin to cultivate a deeper sense of self-worth and deservingness. We realize that we are not limited by our past mistakes or perceived shortcomings. We are capable of receiving love, abundance, and joy in all their forms. The words "every good thing" also invite us to expand our definition of what is good. It may not always look like what we expect. Sometimes the greatest blessings come disguised as challenges or setbacks. By remaining open to all experiences, we allow ourselves to learn and grow in unexpected ways. This affirmation can be particularly powerful when faced with difficult situations. Instead of dwelling on the negative, we can choose to focus on the potential for good that exists within every challenge. This shift in perspective can empower us to find solutions, discover new strengths, and ultimately emerge from the experience stronger and wiser. As you incorporate this affirmation into your life, pay attention to the subtle signs and synchronicities that appear. These may be small coincidences, unexpected opportunities, or a newfound sense of clarity and purpose. These are the universe's way of responding to your openness and guiding you towards your highest good. Don't forget that this affirmation is not about chasing after external validation or material possessions. It's about cultivating a deep sense of inner peace, contentment, and fulfillment. When we are open to every good thing, we realize that true abundance comes from within. As you continue to practice this affirmation, you may find yourself naturally attracting people and situations that align with your highest values and aspirations. Your relationships may become more harmonious, your work may become more fulfilling, and your overall sense of well-being may improve. The key is to remain open and receptive to the possibilities that present themselves. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. The universe is constantly conspiring to support you, but it's up to you to take the first step. By embodying this affirmation, you become a co-creator of your reality. You actively participate in the unfolding of your life's journey, welcoming each experience with gratitude and an open heart. This is the true essence of living a life of abundance and fulfillment. It's essential to acknowledge that opening ourselves to every good thing doesn't mean ignoring or suppressing negative emotions. It's about acknowledging those feelings, learning from them, and then choosing to focus on the positive. When we face challenges, we can ask ourselves, what can I learn from this? How can this experience contribute to my growth? By reframing our perspective, we can find the good even in the midst of adversity. Another aspect of this affirmation is the power of intention. When we set our intention to be open to every good thing, we align ourselves with the frequency of abundance. We send a message to the universe that we are ready and willing to receive all that it has to offer. This intention, combined with consistent action, can create a ripple effect that attracts positive experiences into our lives. It's also important to be patient and trust the timing of the universe. We may not always receive what we desire when we want it, but that doesn't mean it's not coming. Sometimes the universe has even greater things in store for us than we could have ever imagined. By staying open and trusting the process, we allow those blessings to unfold in their own perfect timing. As you continue to practice this affirmation, you may find yourself naturally gravitating towards activities, people, and environments that support your well-being. You may feel more inclined to spend time in nature, engage in creative pursuits, or connect with loved ones. These are all signs that you are aligning with your true purpose and creating a life that nourishes your soul. The beauty of this affirmation is that it can be applied to every area of your life. Whether you're seeking career advancement, improved health, or deeper relationships, the principle remains the same. Open yourself to the possibility of good things, and they will come. This affirmation is not about becoming complacent or passive. It's about taking inspired action towards your goals while remaining open to the unexpected detours and opportunities that may arise along the way. By combining focused effort with an open mind, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards success. The most important thing is to make this affirmation your own. Experiment with different ways of incorporating it into your daily routine, and write it on sticky notes, repeat it silently throughout the day, or create a visual representation of what it means to you. The more personal and meaningful this affirmation becomes, the more potent its impact will be. So are you ready to open those doors? Are you ready to welcome every good thing into your life? Remind yourself that it all starts with those simple words. I am open to every good thing. Repeat it, believe it, and watch your life transform. If this message resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining me today.